Ça, c'est bien.
Gérard Prystasz knows all about the demand and the taste for good quality. As a former personal chef to François Mitterrand at the Elysée Palace, Gérard came to the Samana Peninsula 11 years ago and never left.
Bueno, una buena pesca por hoy.
There's not a lot of fishing here. There's no industrial fishing. So I bought a boat with a motor, and I have a team of fishermen who go out and fish for me every day. That way I don't have any problems anymore. I have fresh fish every day, fresh spiny lobsters and slipper lobsters. It's super fresh produce.
A pearl hidden in the jungle is the El Limon waterfall, 50 meters in height. The residents of Las Terrenas and Samana, like Gérard and his friend Pierre Fayette, come here on foot or on horseback to have some fun.
These are papaya leaves, Pierre.
And what are they for?
To tenderize the meat.
Oh, yes?
Nothing better.
I didn't know that.
You wrap up beef fillets or rump steak in them and leave it for 2 days. There's a little bit of juice that coats the fillet, goes into the meat and makes it tender.
Doesn't it give it a taste?
No taste at all. I've got enough now. Enough for everyone.
A few kilometers from Las Terrenas, away from the small French community that lives in this area, Gérard quietly cultivates his little Garden of Eden in his quest for new flavors.
So, we take the beef fillet and we're going to wrap our beef fillet in the papaya leaves. So, I wrap it up well. It will go in the fridge like that for 2 days. All the substance of the papaya will flow over the fillet, penetrate it, and tenderize it. I've decided to cook a chicken thigh stuffed with a spiny lobster, a beautiful spiny lobster that we got from the market. And now, I'll roast it and flambe it in rum. We came on holiday to the Dominican Republic in 1990, and my ex-wife said, "This is where I want to live." By chance, we passed the Playa Bonita. There was nothing here but this hotel, which was in ruins, and she said, "That's the place." I said to myself, it's a new challenge. So I left everything, and the next year we came here. Here we are, the chicken thigh, stuffed with spiny lobster with some little prawns, and a slightly creamy lobster bisque sauce. The tourism in Las Terrenas is completely different from the tourism in Punta Cana or Puerto Plata. It's completely natural, in direct contact with the local people. We live with the population, so that's pleasant since they're very kind. The people have hearts of gold. That's what I really liked.
5 centuries after its discovery, the Pearl of the Caribbean, the favorite of Columbus, still reveals unknown treasures, like this cave discovered by chance in 1981 by a helicopter flying over the jungle. It was a cave used by the Taínos, known today as one of the best places for diving in the world, according to Alain, the manager of a diving club near Santo Domingo.
People think that the Indians use this water supply for drinking water, since it's very pure. It has been filtered by the rock. The magic of the 2 tunnels where we dive is that they're completely covered with dead coral and fossil shells, more than 20 million years old. I've done nearly 200 dives in these caves, and I've never got tired of it. It's really another planet, another world. It's very different from diving in the sea. It's calm. There's the atmosphere, the magical colors, the peacefulness. For me, it's really among the 5 best dives I've ever done. It's historic, amazing.